Good morning everyone. Welcome to presentation on sampling and analysis of industrial wastewater. My name is Jayendra Bhosle and I am currently studying civil engineering from St. John College of Engineering and Management. First of all, I would like to thank our civil department for giving us an excellent platform to express our views on this topic. Today we are talking about wastewater sampling, their method of collection, record and preservation of sample at the time of collection. Water sampling. Water sampling and analysis involves the collection of water sample and measurement for chemical and biological characteristics to determine its quality. These results are compared against water quality standards in regulation and guidelines to determine its use and or the treatment required to make the water suitable for its intended use. These standards are defined by legislation and guidelines that govern acceptable level of component in water that can cause health or aesthetic problems. This accuracy of water analysis is dependent on the sampling method used. The time elapsed between sampling and analysis the technique used in laboratory analysis and interpretation of the result. The water are used to carry out the number of different tests for water quality. Now, the method used for the collection or sampling of the wastewater. First, grab sampling. Grab sampling is the most common form of sampling flowing water because it is reliable and easy to do. The way by which the grab sample can be taken as follows. No special equipment is needed for the sampling of the grab sample. A sampling container is used to take the sample. The container can be dipped directly into the water or a sampling rod can be used to collect the water and fill the container. Samples are then picked in a cooler box with the ice and take for the testing. The second method is composite sampling. Composite sampling involves taking a number of small samples called subsample over a different period of time. These are then combined to reflect the overall condition of the water body like a lake. These subsamples are often referred to as aliquots. In the field, aliquots of 200 ml are used to make the overall sample of 1000 ml. The composite sampling is used as a frequently. Now, the location where the sample can be collected. Surface water is what is seen on the earth or the surface. It can be either flowing water like ocean, river and stream or stored in natural depression like lake and water holes. Surface water can be permanent surface water or semi-permanent surface water or constructed surface water. The permanent surface water flowing or held in natural depression throughout the year. The second one, semi-permanent surface water flowing or held for only part of the year. The constructed surface water held in structure ranging from dam of a water or tank that catches the rain. Now recording. You must have to keep a record of your activity when sampling of water is collected. This is done by using the field sheet. The field sheet are formed used to record the data related to the each of the sample. It will have all the information related to the single sample which is the collected. The information such as location of the sampling point, the time at which the sample is collected, the day and date of the sample is collected, nature of the sample collected, duration of the sample, and any other relevant data which can be helpful for the analysis of the wastewater which is collected. Preservation. Finally, there are some points which has to be preserved at the time of collection of sample. The sample should be conveyed to the laboratory in shorter time to avoid deterioration and its quality. It is very common that is to collect sample in container surrounded by ice so that low temperature of the container is maintained. And also chemical preservation are to be added only when they are shown not to interfere with the examination being made. So I finished my presentation, in which we have seen the wastewater sampling, their method, location of sampling, and at the end the records and some preservation point. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching this video.